been about 15 minutes, so I'm going to see if these gummy worms can dance. We'll start putting them in and observing. And yes, it's working. As you can see, this is apple cider vinegar. The first time I did this experiment, it didn't work because the gummy worms were not thin. And now they are thinner, so they are flying up to the surface and dancing. And the combination of the vinegar and the baking soda is allowing this to happen. In my blog, I will explain the chemistry and science behind this. It's kind of cool to watch them come up and wiggle. But if I put a bigger worm in there, it's not dancing. And that's because the key to this was to slice them very thin. Give a few more. And they're fizzing about. That was really cool. See them floating up. Creepy candy. And a few more. And that was the key. I used half a cup of baking soda and made sure that these gummy worms were really, really, really thin for this experiment to happen. So I hope if you try this at home it works. And I'll be also including some Twilight Zone resources and fun candy, creepy candy experiments to celebrate National Eat Anything You Want Day and Twilight Zone Day. Thank you. This is Miss Caroline from White Plains Public Library.